Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to record screen on Gigabyte G7. To record screen, you need to click on the print screen key on your keyboard. So if you have a different layout than English, then there is a chance that print screen will be named differently, but it should be in the same place. So let me show you the keyboard. As you can see here, we have the print screen key. Underneath it, there may be also something else, like in this case, it's the scissor cue, but it's really not important right now. If you just press on that print screen key alone, it'll open the screenshotting tool. And you can take a screenshot here, but we're talking about screen recording, so let's select recording tool. Now you need to select a portion of the screen that you wish to record. So you can select the whole screen or maybe just a certain part, whatever you feel like. Then you can just simply start. Now it counts down from 3 and starts recording. Most probably it should also ask me about the microphone, so before I started recording I should have a microphone, a crossed microphone icon, and that will let me in a, if I click on it, then this microphone will get uncrossed and I could record my voice in this recording, although I think that I don't have the microphone drivers right now, and that's why it didn't work that way. Once you stop the recording, it'll open the snipping tool. You can play the video, and I think that it also can be found automatically saved, but before you close the snipping tool, I would recommend first checking if it's saved. In videos in File Explorer, you can see actually it didn't get saved, so what I should do is click on this button, save. Now I'm gonna head to the videos. Let's leave the name like that and click on save. Now it's saved, so I can close it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.